All right, welcome back to another markup session. It is Tuesday, August 11th. We're going to start on the daily chart today. We have daily trend liquidity up here. 1 day trend LQ. We got still these clean highs up here. Let's mark these up. Exactly. We had that daily BISI which supported us up here. Now we have another daily BISI in here which gonna mark up daily BISI. All right, for our, we were dabbling around in here. We have that SIBI, let's see, 75.50. So we got that gap here. That's all for our SIBI. We need to still break through. Red. Let's see. All right, yeah, I will not mark up that one. It's too deep. I'm good on that. 60-minute came down. Use that here. Wait a second. That's the daily, right? Yeah, we use that as a support. That's nice. We came down, used the perfectly respected the upper half, bounced off of it, came back down, tapped it once more. So we should leave it now if that's acting as support. So let's mark up our 84.75. Hourly BISI in here. We got yet another one here. Okay, we have a SIBI in here, quite a lot of SIBIs, which we're in right now. Hourly SIBI. Hourly SIBI. Okay, so we've been going sideways in hourly here. We have that high, we have that high, that's all daily high. And then obviously this intermediate. Right here. I'm fucking tired again. It's crazy. So that's the next higher high. Let's see, 15-minute. Okay, we dabbled around in here, went sideways, left it again. We're again in that SIBI here. Let's mark up this one. 15-minute BISI. Trend liquidity of the 15-minute. Trend LQ. Alright, got that SIBI. Trend liquidity. No gaps up here except for this one. Should not be an issue up here. Yeah, I think I'm okay. All right, conclusion. So this is definitely not optimal, that's for sure. Wait, let me also mark up these relative equal lows down here. 15-minute relative equal lows. So we've been essentially going sideways, right? The higher time frame is bullish, no question about that, but we are in that for our SIBI. We have hourly SIBIs above, we have hourly BISIs below, and a daily BISI below, right? In general, we're bullish on the higher time frame, but again, we have strong resistance as well. So longing right there would be not the highest probability setup, right? Because we are in that resistance here. I would need to see really good strength up here in order to target that trend liquidity up here, right? On the other hand, shorting also doesn't make any sense to me because we have that hourly BISI. Of course, we could look for mitigation into that. That's for sure. But yeah, I don't like that too much, you know. And we also have fairly clean lows down here. So if we get really weak, we could short into that. But yet again, we have that daily BISI. We have hourly BISIs. Not optimal, right? So I don't like that today, to be honest. My scenario for longs would be we mitigate in form of a Judas down here, right? And then we move higher and then maybe target this 15-minute trend liquidity in here, just a really conservative target. Or if we get really strong, I could see something like this play out, right? That would be a nice little scenario where we could look for longs into this one, look for longs into the CE of this gap, and then ultimately into the trend liquidity up here, right? We also have that old daily high overlapping with that CB, CE, that's nice. And maybe a short opportunity would be if we take out buy side first, mitigate the hourly here, and then move lower, then we could look for mitigation into this one, right? Or we get really heavy and then pull off something like this, but we would really have to get really heavy here in order for us to go down there. But today, in order to long, I need to see that mitigation down here. In order to short, I need to see that sweep up here. You know, as long as that's not the case, I will not trade in either direction, only if we're getting really strong up here or really strong down here, right? So that's my plan for today, and I'll see you later on for the live trading. Not sure if I'll trade today. I'll see how the market behaves, what price action we get, but overall these are definitely not optimal conditions, and we should definitely be risk off in such a scenario. So good luck and good trading.